ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Sport Car USA. This is our first event of the season. We're going to be doing this every third Friday right here at Handy Downtown, so don't miss the next one in June. I'm Lee Bodette, your host, and we want to remind you to like us on Facebook, sportcarusa.com, and our YouTube channel as well. We have a program called Test Drive. It's pretty cool. It's gotten thousands of likes throughout the country, as our cars are from throughout the country, and some local here as well. You're going to find that most of our sport cars here are very low mileage, and some are extremely rare. We search the country for all of these vehicles, most of them from other states. So, is everybody having a good time today? All right, okay, enough said. Let's get this parade going. The Parade of Cars, Sport Car USA. Bringing up car number one. This is a new 2022 Chevy Camaro ZL1. It's a convertible, as you can see. It is available for sale. The color is wild cherry tint coat. Isn't that beautiful? It has a whopping 15 miles on it. 10-speed automatic. Any guesses on the horsepower? 650. You get another t-shirt. Brand new with a supercharged 6.2 liter V8. I'm surprised it hasn't sold yet. It just came in the other day off the truck. As a lot of the new vehicles these days, as you know, are pre-sold. This one is available. Yeah. You can do better than that. Okay, that's better. That's better. I like the hard tonneau cup on it. Top, I should say, tonneau cover. And there it is. It can be yours. 22 Chevy Camaro ZL1 convertible in that wild cherry tint coat. Thank you. Up next, 2020 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Yeah, fan favorite. The color is granite. This mean bad boy has only 4,800 miles on it. It's an 8-speed automatic. Any guesses on the horsepower? 717. This dark gray, blacked out monster is one of the most powerful and practical 200-mile-per-hour cars in today's market. It is super fast. Again, only 4,800 miles on this Hellcat. Beautiful car, very sharp, in granite. Thank you so much. Here we go with the 2017 Dodge Challenger RT. This is one sharp car. I love yellow personally. I had a yellow Vet once. Absolutely loved it. This is called Yellow Jacket, the color. Miles on this, 7,652. It's an 8-speed automatic. The horsepower, nobody seems to know. This low-mile Challenger has had work done by our partner and good friends, Quintin brothers. So you can only imagine the horsepower this must have. Mike, do you know the exact horsepower on this? Nobody knows. I can tell you, it's well over 700. Let's hear it. Love the dark rims, dark spoiler in matte. And again, there's that yellow jacket color. Even has a sunroof. Thank you. Now we have a 2021 Chevy Camaro 1LE Track Package. The color is called Red Hot. Bring that red hot baby over here. 3,000 miles on this Camaro. 6-speed manual. Yes, they still make manual transmissions. Guesses on the horsepower. 650. The 1LE track package includes a slew of track-oriented upgrades, including Brembo brakes, Recaro seats, magnetic ride control, and a suede steering wheel. I had the opportunity to drive this earlier, and something about that suede wheel feels awful good. Let's hear it. Very nice. 3,000 miles. Thank you so much. 2021 Chevy Camaro 1LE track package. Now we got a pretty mean boy coming this way. A 2016 Shelby GT350. I had one of these. Wish I had it back. The color is red. Miles, 12,050. The transmission is 6-speed manual. Horsepower 526. The Voodoo motor loves the high RPM range with an 8250 RPM red line. I think this is going to be really loud. Go ahead. Oh yeah. That's some serious noise right there. 2016 Shelby GT350. We mentioned earlier we have partnered with Quintin Brothers. Mike DeRocher is here from Quintin Brothers. Mike, first of all, tell us what Quintin Brothers is all about in Williston.
Well, Quintin Brothers has been around for about 24 years now. We range anything from performance to your daily drivers. Currently, right now, we're doing lots of packages on modern vehicles and older vehicles. We also have cars like this come to us, believe it or not. If anybody knows anything from American Graffiti, we had a customer of ours not only bring us this car, but a 1955 Chevy and the truck that we had a pleasure to work on, and we got something special for the owner. This particular vehicle, we did a lot of fabrication on it. We actually put the factory dash back into it, all new gauges that are inside there. Redid the metal around the windows, brand new motor, rear end was done. An unbelievable driver, believe it or not. This car scoots right down the road. And I would probably say in the next maybe couple weeks, if you go to QuintinBrothers.com or our Facebook page, you'll see the collaboration that we put together with the other vehicle for American Graffiti.
All right, thank you, Mike. That sounds wonderful. It looks amazing. Quintin Brothers goes to SEMA in Las Vegas every year. We're hoping they're going to invite us now that we made them a partner. Thank you. I think I can take some time off, Mike. Yeah, I should be able to make it.
This is another one of our Quintin Brother cars that we did. This is a 2019 GT350. I'd ultimately say this is the ultimate package. There's more carbon fiber on this car than I can possibly fathom and go over, but the car itself is got all new suspension. It's got a Pro Charger on it, and if anybody wants to guess the horsepower at the wheels, not at the crank, at the wheels, anybody? How much? 720. 7 higher. 850. Close. This is 820 horsepower to the wheels, which this means that's almost 1,000 horsepower. So this thing rips pretty well, but the one thing that I would say about this car that I love the most, that most of the time, you know, if you look at it really quick, it's like a chameleon. With all that carbon fiber that's on there, it flips, and it's an unbelievable pleasure to drive this car, and Tim's going to let this thing rip in a second, but the one thing that I wanted to get to about this particular vehicle, it really does show the things that we do at our shop. And one of those things is really customizing cars, coming up with packages for vehicles. And it doesn't matter how big or how small those packages are and what type of vehicle it is. We always have something for somebody and their budget. Feel free to visit our website or give us a call, and we would be more than happy to help you guys out. So further ado, Tim, let her rip.
Make a mistake like that. It's okay. Mike DeRocher from Quintin Brothers, thank you so much for being with us tonight. Give Mike a round of applause, please. Thank you. And now, because I love the antimatter blue GT500, it's time to show it to you. Mason, roll it on over. 2021, and the mileage 276. So like I was saying, if you're looking for a GT500, here it is with under 300 miles. 7-speed automatic. Not quite 1,000 horsepower, as Mike was saying. With Tim's car earlier, this has 760. I think that'll do it, right? That'll be okay. This is the most powerful production Ford car ever made and can reach 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let's hear it, Mason. One of our many sport cars that are available for sale. We had this on display at the St. Albans Rotary Home Show last weekend, and the people were absolutely going crazy. It looks black. Now I'm a little colorblind, but people were telling me it looks black at night. But it is, in fact, antimatter blue. Beautiful. Thank you, Mason. Has everybody heard about the new Corvette C8 mid-engine? First mid-engine for the Corvette. And here it comes. We've had two on display tonight, a red one on top, and here is the white one. This is a 2022 model. We just picked this up a couple weeks ago on a Friday. It's Arctic white with beautiful black accents. Love the rims. Miles 390. This is a very rare car. You can't get C8s all over the country right now, and haven't been for quite some time. The horsepower is 495. You can see it's a hardtop, which comes off. A lot of people love the convertible, but as far as I'm concerned, you take the hardtop off, that's a convertible to me. It's the first mid-engine Corvette generation, leading to its exotic look. Some people say it looks like a Maserati, a Lamborghini. That's the frunk. They call it the frunk. And in the back is the engine. You can see it through the window. With a convertible, you cannot see the engine. And there it is in all its V8 glory, the brand new restyled Corvette. Let's get on it. Horsepower 495. Woo! So if you're looking for a hard to find vehicle like the new C8, we have one. There it is. Thank you. Now here is a rare car. We just picked this up 2 days ago. My general manager said to me when I asked, how'd you get it? He said, I don't think the dealer knew what the hell he had. Had no clue. We've got the clue here at Sport Car USA. This is a 2022 Charger Hellcat wide body. Pitch black is the color, 362 miles. As I said, we just picked this up. I think it came from a Connecticut dealer, not sure on that. 8-speed automatic, 717 horsepower. Look at the 4 doors. Look at the rims and tires. What more to say? But I will tell you this. Many of us lose our toys when we have families, don't we? We always get them back. It may take quite a few years, but we get them back. You don't have to lose your toy when you buy this one. It fits 2 car seats. Wrap it up! There we go. Love the sound of that Hemi. I had never seen one of these before. It rolled in just the other day. The Charger Hellcat wide body. Very sharp. With a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. It's Arctic white. Really sharp pinstriping. The C7 is a very, very desirable style. Came out in 2014 and then was replaced by the C8 in 2020. The miles on this, 1,800. 8-speed automatic. And we hear that 650 horsepower right there. This is a loaded C7. It has the 3LZ package and of course the red, white, and blue decals all the way down the top. And you can see it has the hard top removed, stores easily in the trunk. So there it is, a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 with only 1,800 miles.
I wouldn't do it. That part would be
We have a 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. It's a 2SS in black metallic. Sharp looking in the front. Love those front lights, LEDs. Bringing it right around here. 16,000 miles on this 16 Chevrolet Camaro if you're looking for a sport car. With low miles, here's another one. 6-speed manual transmission. Again, a manual. Not everybody can drive a manual, but I love it. 455 horsepower. Let's see what it sounds like. I like that. Thank you, Jean-Marie. Well done. So again, very low miles on this Camaro. You'll certainly hear this one coming down the road. Whenever Jean-Marie gets in a car that sounds loud, he always has a parting accelerator foot. All right, let's bring on the 2014 Shelby GT500. Again, 2014, this monster is 8 years old and it only has 9,500 miles on it. Gorgeous black, 6-speed, manual transmission, and the horsepower is 662. Now this is one of the last manual GT500s ever made because they went to the automatic. 2014 was the very last year it was produced. So if you're looking for a manual transmission and you've always wanted a GT500, this is the one for you. Let's hear it. Thank you very much. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Sport Car USA's first event of the season, our parade of cars. Did everybody have a good time tonight?
Yeah!
All righty, we're going to be here till 9 o'clock, so if you're still hungry, we have hot dogs and hamburgers from Bob's Meat Market. We have some T-shirts left over. They're absolutely free. The meal is free. Well, we're going to be here again in June, the third Friday, starting at 6 and lasting until 9. So again, I'm Lee Bodette, your host. Thanks for coming tonight. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon here at Sport Car USA.